Tired of guessing trend direction and getting caught in fake breakouts? This simple, Awesome Oscillator Cloud strategy helps you spot momentum shifts before the move happens, without cluttering your chart. Here's how it works. You'll use two tools, the Awesome Oscillator, AO, and its cloud, which is created by smoothing the AO values. The cloud acts like a momentum zone, making bullish and bearish shifts easy to see. Buy rules. 1. The Awesome Oscillator crosses above the zero line. 2. Price pulls back but stays above the AO cloud. 3. The cloud turns green, showing bullish momentum returning. 4. Enter the buy as soon as price bounces away from the cloud. Sell rules. 1. The Awesome Oscillator crosses below the zero line. 2. Price pulls back but stays below the AO cloud. 3. The cloud turns red, confirming bearish momentum. 4. Enter the sell when price rejects the cloud and moves downward. Always place your stop loss on the opposite side of the AO cloud, below it for buys and above it for sells. This keeps you protected if momentum suddenly flips. If you want cleaner charts and clearer momentum signals, try the Awesome Oscillator Cloud strategy. And for free indicators, templates, and more strategies, visit forexmt4indicators.com.